Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to Craw Park. Let's jump right on in. So today, AMD gave us multiple setups all day long, and I want to walk you through some of those setups. So as you can see, today was the entire day was a fade. The bears were definitely in control, and so I want to walk you through some of those setups that we saw today. So you may be wondering what this red line up here is. So that's a price level that we marked off uh, from a previous day. And I want to show you that, as I keep saying over and over again, that the stock market is trading people. It's not about trading stocks, and people are creatures of habit. And so I want to show you how this price level was respected today, although we actually marked it off a few days ago. So let's go all the way back. Let me make sure I'm in manual mode. All right. Let's go back. And you see this, keep your eye here on the top line up here, right? So this is the day's chart. Keep your eye on this top red line up here. I'm going to go back to Monday, Friday, Thursday. All right. So on Thursday, 4 trading days ago, we marked off the pre-market high, right? It's pre-market because it's in this gray area and it's before the market opens. So right around 9:15, we marked off that the pre-market high was right here, right at 56.15. Okay. So let's zoom out. Okay. So as you can see right here, Thursday we marked off price level 56.15, right? So let's follow that all the way back over to today, Tuesday. Now you'll notice the price action for Friday was nowhere near that mark, so it didn't come into play. Price action for Monday as well did not come anywhere near that mark, so it wasn't in play. But Tuesday, as you can see, as we get into Tuesday, with end of Monday and into Tuesday, we see the price level coming to that level. And look what happens, right? So pre-market here and during the market here, the price reflects that level, right? It respects that level. It tries to test it, can't do it. 2 rejections, right? So we have pre-market around 852, gets close, can't do it. Now zoom in. There you go. Okay. So the price level is right here. There we go. Tries to hit it, can't do it. Tries again at the open with a very violent and volatile candle here. I mean, in this one candle, you have over 1 million shares traded, and it comes close, but can't touch it. And look what happens, right? A violent rejection immediately, and then you already know what we would do, and what we have done. I try to point this out multiple times, is that you can use the 9 EMA, the VWAP, or the 200 moving average as signals of support or resistance. In this way, it's a line of resistance, okay? Because it's trying to break past this level. It can't. The stock is immediately weak, falls below. In this one candle, falls below the VWAP here in purple, the 9 EMA exponential moving average here in green, and closes right below the 200 moving average here in red. So a great sign of weakness. And look, right? So this candle here is a doji candle. That means the top wick and the bottom wick are the same height. But that basically means that that candle is a candle of indecision. It tries to go up, tries to go back down, and kind of meets in the middle somewhere. So candle of indecision. And I'll zoom in so this actually makes better sense. So sometimes you call them spinning top candles, but and then the top of the wick here is trying to break past. It's trying to break past these 2 levels and really 3 levels, but it's getting nowhere. and we just have this nice fade. So one trade opportunity. Here's another one. It tries to retest the level. The VWAP and the the VWAP and the 200 EMA can't do it. Another entry here. And as you know, when you get into double tops or triple tops, right, when it tries to retest a level of resistance multiple times and it fails, then you get a nice big sell off here. And I'll show you that. All right, so we have one top, two top, three top here, and then nice fade. A fourth top, another fade, and then it just gets worse and worse for the stock. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then whoosh. So, you know, luckily my broker has shares available to short, and so you could have made money as the stock was going down. Like I said, there's more than one way to make money in the stock market. So, and then at that point, honestly, there's no need to keep trading. You've gotten several opportunities to make money, basically all on the short side. And by 11 o'clock, most traders are actually done anyway. Most retail traders are done. Retail being traders like us, day traders. Of course, hedge funds are still moving shares back and forth, but most people have either taken their profit or their loss and are done by 11 o'clock. But AMD is such a thickly traded stock that you can take trades on it pretty much all day, right? So even if you missed out on the morning session, here's a nice run here during the lunch hour. And of course, at the end of the day, there's always movement. So, I mean, even though it chopped around here, it definitely had a nice movement to the downside here. So, but yeah, that was AMD. Gave us some great opportunities there to go short, take some profit. So that's going to do it for me today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. And I'll see you guys next video.